Second part. Who? Me? Talk directly to me. You kill, not he.
You're all right, friend. Tell me, do you have the strength to make it out of here?
No, he doesn't speak. Yes, I think so. Wait, one of the others had a portal scroll, but we couldn't reach it. There it is. Come, let's leave this miserable place forever. Well, he casts the stone portal very quickly. Not the case when we do it. Remain calm, everyone. We are not bereft of hope yet. Deckard Cain.
It seems dark forces have set their eyes upon Wortham. The cultist's leader mentioned a lord of damnation. Said he was seeking some prize. That face wreathed in flame could have only been his.
Lord of Damnation! Things are far worse than I imagined. The forces of hell are seeking a shard of the World Stone, an artifact with the power to create entire realities. Okay, that will be about the end. Well, not yet. I have another 4 minutes, so 12. Oh yeah, that's another alarm for something else. Alrighty. 5 years ago, the demon lord Baal, or Baal, I don't know how people pronounce it, nearly brought all of humanity under his thrall. I don't know how to read this. Using that stone. If the demons were to obtain even a shard of it, the results would be catastrophic. We cannot allow that to happen.
Adventurer! Kang! The cultists are attacking the western gate! We need help holding them back!
And what is this here? Examine
Within our hearts exists an ember of light. Zakharum feeds it, protects it. Through faith and obedience alone can one's inner light repel the darkness.
Right, anything else? Can touch here.
Be not fearless, for those without fear are those who have nothing precious to hold on to. Challenge fear. Overcome it, but deny it at your peril.
Alright. Does it have anything else to say? I know not what trials you will face, but I believe you have the strength to conquer them nonetheless. Conquer them nonetheless. Okay. I have about 2 minutes. I have to set the alarms because YouTube doesn't allow me to get longer than 10-minute videos. So now I'm going examine, inspect the body, okay.
Nothing remains but char.
Char. Okay, so I will end up this video here in 1 minute. They're doing their job, not damaging at all. And see you in the third video.